Hi, my name is Elizabeth Guthrie. I'm an attorney here at Swartz and Swartz, and one of the areas of law I practice is personal injury. Massachusetts and Boston in particular are super bike friendly places, and it seems like new bike pathways are popping up all over the place all the time nowadays. Given that there's so many places on the street and elsewhere for you to ride your bike, you may wonder, can I still ride my bike on the sidewalk? And the short answer to that is yes, you can. Massachusetts state laws about bicycles are really focused on safety. So, where sidewalks aren't burgeoning with pedestrian traffic, it's usually safe for you to ride your bike there, and it's usually okay under the law. Each locality is allowed to make its own rules, but in general, you're not allowed to ride your bike on the sidewalk in commercial or business districts. For example, in Cambridge, there are a few different places you can't ride your bike, such as Harvard Square and Inman Square, among other places. In commercial districts where you're not allowed to ride your bike on the sidewalk, you either have to walk your bike, ride on the street, or pick an alternate route. Boston University is another example of a place where you are just not allowed to ride your bike on the sidewalk within the designated area. In Massachusetts, the rules for e-bikes are similar to the rules for regular bicycles, although you cannot ride your e-bike on the sidewalk at all. There are no exceptions. Your e-bike may also be subject to speed limits such as 20 miles per hour and other specialized rules from city to city. The bottom line is you have to be conscientious for vulnerable travelers such as pedestrians and always follow the rules of the road. If you have any questions about whether you can ride your bike on the sidewalk or where you can ride your bike, or if you've been injured by a cyclist, please contact Swartz and Swartz and we can evaluate your case.